Hi everyone, this is Gabby with Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun video showing you how I'm decorating my Christmas tree with the Target birds that I just got. So at my local Target, they had a ton of these adorable holiday birds for sale. There were some that came with no feet that were specifically ornaments, which are the ones that I'm showing you right now. I found a little bit bigger ones, probably 2 inches tall, that came with feet that could stand on their own for display, and then there were also even taller ones that were probably around 4.5 inches that you could put out for display as well. For me, I just really loved all these ornaments, and I knew I had to get enough to make my own Christmas tree. This is the first year that I'm decorating my own tree, so I'm very excited for how this is going to turn out. So Target did have several different types of packs. There was a pack of 6 that was for $15. The bigger ones were around $5, and the individual ornaments were about $2.50 to $3. Honestly, I can't even pick a favorite. They are just all so cute. So many of them have little hats on, they have scarves, they have different types of jackets. I thought it was adorable how some of them had sweaters, some of them had normal jackets, a couple of them had puffy vests on. It's just too cute. So the packs that I did get were specifically holiday Christmas ones, like this cute little elf and reindeer one. It also comes with a Christmas tree one, Santa Claus, just really adorable ones. And then there was also your snowy type birds that were all dressed in white for the holidays. And I also did get the Christmas tree from my local Target. It was about $100 and it's really adorable, easy to put together. The flocking just looks beautiful overall on it. Alright, and here are some of the birds that are able to stand on their own. I really absolutely love this set. I feel like every single bird in this set had its own little cute attitude. Here's a couple more of the birds from this set, and these ones are all bundled up in their little puffy vests. And here are the final birds in that set. These ones, everyone was saying during the live that these are the fashionista birds, which I 100% agree with. I feel like these birds give the tree a little bit of depth. You're able to put them farther back in the tree and they stand on their own. And here are the 2 bigger birds that I bought. These are about 4.5 inches tall, and I absolutely love them, and they also come with their own little names. They said Wafer and Chip were the names of these 2 birds. And here's a quick close-up of all the birds on the tree. Thank you so much for continuing to support Our Decorative Nest. Don't forget to sprinkle this video, and I hope you're able to find these birds at your local Target. Happy holidays!